Hello everyone! Another haul video for you guys. Kay naanap po ko napalit na bagong sapatos. So let's gonna unbox it together. And by the way, I got this from michaelkorsoutlet.com. And I think I paid about marami silang clearance eh. And this one caught my eyes kasi sobrang mura lang niya. This was about I think 50 bucks. Mas mura kasi kapag sa outlet niyo siya or sa Michael Kors outlet online niyo siya binili kasi malaki talaga yung diferensya guys sa price. Guys, if you're interested of the brand, you can check their website. And this is the Michael Kors Dib Trainer and color camel multi. And in size 5. Buksan na natin guys. It's so pretty. Ang ganda niya. It also have a green color. It's just my favorite. Yellow. Pagka ano ba to? Pink or orange. Ang ganda. So last year, like late last year, I think it was December, bumili din ako ng dalawang Michael Kors na shoes. And because nagustuhan ko sila, they're very comfortable to wear. So, I got me a new one, another one. Ito naman, hindi siya yung masyadong maano yung heel niya, yung makapal. It's just a flat one. Yung dalawang una kong nabili, medyo mataas yung ano niya, yung takong niya. So, yan, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it already. May yellow. Yan, mayroon ding yellow dito. Tsaka green. Pero yung main color niya talaga, camel. Parang caramel. Brown. Hindi naman super brown. Parang light. Parang tan siya. Diba ang ganda? They're clearance guys. I think for ano lang siya 50 bucks. Parang 50 bucks lang sa Michael Kors outlet. So yung Michael Kors na mga shoes, meron talaga silang parang mga metal dito sa likod. Tsaka yung MK logo. I love the color combination guys. Pwede ko rin itong isuot this time of year na malapit na mag-spring kasi hindi pa naman spring. Kasi meron naman kahit brown siya. Yung brown talaga maganda siya pag fall season. Pero meron naman siyang lighter or bright colors. Ito, super pretty. Tsaka may MK na logo.